problems that we were facing when we were looking for a curriculum management solution was that our processes were strictly paper pencil. There was a lot of information lost, there was not a lot of good communication going on between departments that needed to happen, and we needed something that would streamline and make our system go faster.
Kuali has helped us improve processes by moving the paper pencil process online. So now there is a workflow that allows us to see where the curriculum is in each step of the process. It's also going to allow us to move to an electronic catalog, which we think will be great. In the past, we have used a catalog that we've created in Microsoft Word. And managing that whole process in Word has been really difficult. It's just a lot of manual work. So Kuali and the product that they've created has made this whole process seem seamless. Kuali has been great to implement.
Yes.
The Kuali staff really have worked with us and held our hand if need be along every step of the way.
We don't have as many IT people as we would like. Of course, I don't think anybody does. And having that extra support and getting things done was exciting for them. To someone that's thinking about purchasing this solution, I would highly encourage them to do that. It just helps in your whole process. It saves time, not only on administrative time, but for faculty. Our faculty have just been very open to it, and those that have been in our project so far have only good things to say about the time it's saved, the mistakes that aren't happening, the communication that's happening that hasn't happened necessarily, a timely communication in our process. And just for us in administration, it has streamlined what we do and just made everything so much more efficient.
Faculty has told us that the system is very intuitive. We were able to use our old curriculum forms, put them in electronic format that then goes through a workflow. There have been a lot of positive comments about that information because it's been so intuitive.
And we also have, I think, minimized the mistakes because we have so many people actually being able to review what's there and fix it as they go along instead of having to go through the process, send things back and forth. And it's just made everything more efficient and better.
I agree.